How to change font style in WhatsApp status. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change font style in WhatsApp status. Firstly, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Next, tap on Updates from the bottom left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the pencil icon given right next to My Status. It will take you to this screen where you can type your status. Firstly, add the text that you want to post. Next, tap on this T given on the top. You will get a new font style every time you tap here. So tap on this T icon a few more times until you get the font you like. Once you have it, go ahead and upload your status. This is the easiest way to change font style in WhatsApp status. Also, check out our video on how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.